Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by validating system basics. Windows 10 or 11, enough RAM and free disk space. This prevents obvious failures. Once confirmed, make sure to close competing audio apps because they lock audio devices. Next, run Voicemod as administrator so it can register drivers and services correctly. If Windows Defender or a third-party antivirus blocks the program, temporarily disable it and try launching again. Remember to re-enable protection after the test. Once the app still won't open, inspect audio drivers in Device Manager and update or roll back to a stable version because driver mismatches often block audio services. Then, clear Voicemod's cache and logs by removing its app data folders and resetting settings. This fixes corrupt profiles. Also make sure Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables and the NET runtime are present and up to date. Voicemod depends on those libraries, so reinstalling them can resolve deeper launch errors. To finish, perform a clean reinstall. Uninstall Voicemod, delete leftover program data and app data folders, reboot, then install the latest build. Clean installs remove corrupted files. After it launches, test with your default microphone and only set Voicemod as the system input when it's stable. If that still fails, collect the app logs and note your OS and Voicemod version. Then contact support. This single troubleshooting tip speeds diagnosis because developers need precise error.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.